Everyone and welcome to IRA tutorial. This is Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you English grammar, same word as noun and verb. So in this lecture we are going to see that how the same word we can use as a noun also as a verb also. This topic is useful for class 8, 9 and 10. The different parts of speech are building blocks of the English language. Okay, so in English language we are learning different parts of speeches. They constitute thousands of words grouped into each section. Grammar is the rule book of English and it sets out how these words are to be formed and what their structure is. Okay, so in English, whatever we are making sentences with the rules of grammar, we are working here. So, grammar also sets out the way the word from each part interact with words from other parts. Noun and verb are parts of speech which are vital to understanding English. So, what is noun, what is verb? If you know, if you have the concept clear about noun and verb, we can easily make sentences for any word as a noun as a verb also. Okay, so what is noun? So nouns are naming words as they name people, places, objects, feelings, animals and ideas. Then what is verbs? Verbs are action words as they describe some action being performed. Nouns are classified into different types such as single noun, abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun, proper noun. Okay, single noun means proper noun. If suppose we are talking about the name of any particular person, then it is proper noun. Particular person, thing. Okay, abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of the feeling which we cannot touch. Okay, and concrete noun is the thing which we can touch. Collective nouns are the group of nouns. Okay, and compound nouns are when two names are or nouns are taken together. Okay, so let us take a look at an example. The word is play. Okay, and we are going to use this play as a noun also as a verb also. I like to play in the park with my friends. So here play we have used as an action. So it is action word and that's why play is a verb in this sentence. We are going to see a play tonight at the theater. So here I am talking about the uh, name of some entertainment program. Okay, so play is a noun in this sentence. So if you understand the difference between noun and verb easily you can make your own sentences. Now it is healthier to use stair instead of a lift. That means lift means here elevator. So instead of using elevator, lift, it is healthy habit to use stairs. The mother lifted up the child in her arm. That means here action is done. Okay. Here first it is the name of the equipment. But here verb. That means some action is taken place. Lifted. To lift up means to lift up means to took something. So here it is used as a verb. Love. A mother's love surpasses everything. So now here love is an abstract noun. Okay, it's a feeling which we cannot see but we can experience. All mothers love their children equally. So here love is the action. We went to camp at the top of the mountain and at the old mining camp. Okay, so here we went to camp and mining camp is the name and here to campaign is the verb. The fish were biting, so we decided to stay longer and fish some more. Now here to fish means to do fishing. Okay, and here fish is the name, it is used as a name. The charge on the credit card was charged to the wrong person. Now here charged is uh, action and here it is noun. I will not drink that strange blue drink. So here drink blue drink is the name of the drink and drink is the action. Everyone on our block decided to block off the street for the party. Our block, that means noun, and block of verb. I will cook you your favorite meal, said the cook. Now here cook is the name of the person, or is the person who is doing cooking, and to cook is a action. Don't forget to lock the lock on our garage. So here lock is the name of the thing which you are going to put in action for locking the garage. Number from 1 to 10 and don't forget any of the numbers. Number from 1 to 10. Now this is the name of the activity and numbers are the verb. She began to laugh. She laughed, began to laugh. Laugh is the action, so it is verb. I realized that it was the loudest laugh. That means something, name of something, some activity it is. When I traded with Billy, I knew he was a good, it was a good trade. Okay. Now traded is verb because action took place here and trade is name. Like that, more examples are here: sink, then paints, buildings, switch, trip. For verb, will you sink or float? For noun, I float in the kitchen sink. Then pants. The dog paints in hot weather. Leave your pants on. Building. I am building a house. Now here verb it is action. I work in the tallest building. That means name. Noun. I will switch to another brand. To switch to another brand is verb. Turn off the light switch. That means it is the name. Name of thing. Trip. Don't trip on that banana peel. So it is verb. To trip means to sleep. Did you have a good trip? Now here trip is the noun. Again pets. He pets his cat a lot. He has a lot of pets. Duck. As a verb, you need to duck you so you didn't hit your head going down the hallway. As a noun, a duck waddled while quacking. Fire. As a verb, I, I might fire him if he keeps slacking on the job. Okay, it is verb. To fire means to remove. Noun, the house is on the fire. Bark. The dog continues to bark. The bark on that tree peeled off. Train. As a verb, I need to train the person I hired, and as a noun, I play with toy train. So I hope that you might have understood this concept, same word as a noun as a verb. It is very simple concept if you are clear with the concept of noun and verb. Okay, I hope that everyone might have understood. If you understood each and everything, please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.